Hello, hi guys, welcome back to Tammy in the Kitchen. Today I'll be making you guys French onion soup. First ingredients that you will need is 4 yellow sweet onions and also 1 red onion, olive oil, white wine, chicken stock, thyme, pepper and salt, Gara cheese. First step, take your 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm cooking on a skillet today. And you're gonna let that melt. While that's melting, you want to spread it around. I have the temperature about 200. Then you're going to take your olive oil and do about a half a cup. Take your 4 sweet onions, your 1 red onion, cut it up thinly sliced, and you are going to put it in there. You're gonna let that simmer on 200 for about 25 minutes. Don't forget the salt. The onions have been cooking for about 25 minutes. As you can see, they're nice and caramelized. And as they were cooking, I was also constantly stirring them. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. It's 1 cup of wine, 3 cups of chicken stock, going to crank up the heat, going to add the thyme. You just want to do a couple dashes. Pepper, and I'm going to let that cook for another 20 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, the French onion soup has thickened. I'm going to turn that off. It's gotten a lot thicker. Now it's time to put it in your bowls and make sure they are oven to table, safe for the oven, because you need to broil it. You're going to take your soup. Made about 3 bowls. I want to make them even. Once you've poured it into the bowls, you're going to add your cheese. I'm going to garnish it on top. Once that's done, you're gonna boil it, or broil it, not boil it. And you're gonna throw it on the closest one to the top shelf for about 1 minute. It's been about 1 minute. It's time to take the French onion soup out. Very hot. Perfect. If you guys liked the way I made French onion soup, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And it's always good to add a loaf of French bread.